Hi, to turn off your CMF phone one, all you have to do is find this power button on the right side of the phone and this volume up button on the left side. Now press and hold them together and you'll see this power off menu. So if you are willing to turn off the phone, simply find corresponding option and tap it. And after that, your phone will be immediately turned off. But as you can see, I pressed it, so it suggests me to reboot to safe mode. In your case, you will need to just tap it and that's it. Now, what to do in case if your buttons are not responding, so you cannot press them? In that case, we can go in settings, scroll down and find accessibility. After that, you should see this accessibility menu. And now you need to enable accessibility menu shortcut. After that, this floating button will appear on the screen, which you can drag anywhere across the edges, and if you tap it, you'll see power option. So simply tap power and here tap power off, and now the phone will turn off, and that's it. To turn it back on, just press and hold the power button till you see CMF Phone 1 logo appears on the screen, and just wait a few seconds and your phone will turn back on. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.